Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious dark hot chocolate at home. This easy guide will help you create a rich and comforting drink perfect for any occasion. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients, ensuring a delightful treat. You'll need about 4 ounces of good quality dark chocolate, 2 cups of milk, a tablespoon of sweetener, and a tiny pinch of salt. Let's get started on this cozy journey. Now let's create that rich chocolate base. Pour about 1 cup of your chosen milk into a saucepan and warm it gently over medium-low heat. You don't want it to boil, just get nice and warm. Then, add your 4 ounces of finely chopped dark chocolate to the warm milk. Stir continuously with a whisk or spoon until the chocolate is completely melted and the mixture is wonderfully smooth and glossy. This step is key for a luxurious texture. Next, we'll bring it all together. Pour in the remaining 1 cup of milk into your saucepan with the melted chocolate mixture. Continue to heat everything gently, ensuring it doesn't boil. Now is the time to add your sweetener. About 1 tablespoon of sugar or maple syrup works wonderfully, but adjust to your taste. Don't forget that tiny pinch of salt. It truly elevates the chocolate's depth and richness, making every sip even more delightful. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your homemade dark hot chocolate. Continue to heat the mixture until it's steaming beautifully, but be careful not to let it boil. Once it reaches your desired temperature, carefully pour the warm, rich beverage into your favorite mugs. For an extra special touch, you can garnish it with a dollop of whipped cream, a few fluffy marshmallows, or a light dusting of cocoa powder. Enjoy this comforting treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.